So, we've seen pickups do some burnouts, but can a semi do a burnout? Can you drag a semi? Well, you bet you can. Coming up next on the Fast Lane Truck. Tell me about Lowbucks. What year is it originally?
Lowbucks is 71 Kenworth.
Okay.
It started out as a mobile home toter.
Okay.
Needed a clutch when we got it. We only paid $500 for it, so we.
Lowbucks.
Yeah. So that's how I got its name. We decided to do a clutch.
Yeah.
We got started, and all of a sudden we changing it to an automatic. We're changing the rear end in it. It just accumulated from there. My little brother says, "Oh, the top just falls down if you cut it." Oh, it does? We cut it. It just falls down, yeah. But and we built this in 2 weeks. 2 weeks playing.
You slammed it. You lowered it. So what?
We did 12 out of the top.
Yeah.
We dropped the body 8 inches on the frame.
Okay.
Then we took another 8 out. Yeah.
All right. So what's under the hood? Well, what's the engine?
The engine right now is a 290 Cummins.
Yeah.
Okay, we got it pumped up to 550 horse.
Yeah.
We changed our rear end gears out. Now we're 287 rear end gears.
Yeah.
Now we're trying to find a transmission that can hold up the horsepower versus the high gears. That's what we're testing today and see if we can actually get it to go. On paper, it should do over 100 miles an hour.
Yeah. What do you think it'll run in terms of?
We did 97.
97.
97 a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
And I want to do right now, I want to do 100.
All right. How about quarter mile time? What do you think?
15. If I'm lucky, I get into the high 14s. You know, if you get much faster than that, it's a safety issue.
Yeah.
I got to hang out. I got a family I have to take care of.
Sure, I know.
So
I think even 100 miles an hour is pretty crazy.
100 miles an hour. I just want to hit that mark just to say I did it.
All right.
You know?
All right, Jimmy. Good luck to you.
We moved it. We're going to get a tow truck up there. We will move it. And that F-150 means you're in a racer's midair. You know, Randy, with all of the lights on these vehicles, do they have to have a special charging system?
Not really, Bruce. You know, it's got the normal charging system that a vehicle would have. And now with the LED technology, it's amazing. You notice how many they have. It's great.
Now, Randy, are we going to run 2 time trials back to back or just one? Yes, we are. We're going to have these big riggers come right back to the staging lane. They're going to make that second time session. So again, big riggers right back down to the staging lanes. We're going to let you run that second time session.
All right. So he didn't run a 15, he ran a 19, almost a 20. But you know what? Watching a big ass semi do a burnout, you have to admit, that's pretty cool. As always, this is Roman reporting for the Fast Lane Truck. See you next time.
Hey, Randy, look at this one. Somebody cut the nose off.
Alright, so now we have inflated the C7 hitch, and we're going to do another run down this bad road and turn on the camera in there, and hopefully we'll see a difference in the amount of coke that's splashing out. And what you're talking about here, Ken, is the fact that this really is all about the horse's comfort, right? So you don't feel that vibration coming through the floor into their hooves.